Welcome to today's session. We'll be looking at adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. So we can say this is a small house, or this house is small. Small is an adjective describing house. The usual place of the adjective is in front of the noun. So here we have, this is a big truck. So we have the adjective big in front of the noun truck. And this is called an attributive adjective. Sometimes an adjective is separated from the noun or pronoun by a verb. Like we have here, basketball is fun. This is called a predicative adjective because the adjective is separated from the noun by the helping verb is. Adjectives could mean size. Like here we say, this building is huge, massive. And also nationality. Like we would say, the Eiffel Tower is French. This is a Saudi flag. It could also mean color. We can say here, there are white clouds in the sky. It could also mean quality. Look at these two pictures. We can say for the first one, it is probably hot here. Hot is the adjective. And in this picture here, the weather is cold because you can see it's snowy. It could also mean age. One of these cars is modern and the other is classic. Can you tell which one is which? The modern car is this car here, and the classic car is this old car here. Practice makes perfect. Now, let's make practice perfect. Let's put these words in the correct order to form a sentence. So we have here, we can put I want to. Okay, and then we need the base form verb, buy. Okay, I want to buy. Okay, so now we need either the adjective to go first or the noun to go first. Which one would you choose? Yeah, green. I want to buy green. Okay, we need the noun here. Balloons. I want to buy green balloons. Oh, and don't forget the full stop. Let's continue. How many attributive adjectives can you identify here? Look for the sentence where the adjective comes before the noun. This is the attributive adjective. Can you identify any here? How many can you identify? Please write your comments below.